just a denim jacket. Actually, I was gonna show you guys. Look at my muscle tee. College, you know, I went to college and dormed there. Excuse me. I went to college and dormed. Holy shit! Oh god, what did that sound like? Holy shit! Yeah, it was a cover competition, but like it was also for remixes. Like, I'm so sorry. What is going on? I'm so sorry. Jesus hell, dude. I cursed. Excuse me. Excuse me. Woo! Excuse me. Oh god, the water fucked me up. Oh. Excuse me. Excuse me. Woo! And then we can start marbles. Excuse me. Fuck me. Excuse me. Oh my god. Excuse me. Oh my god! そして私はいらなぼしでそして私はどうしていい Tips on stream are not tax exempt. I got it from Throne. Woo! Hello, Blair. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing well.
Limited edition.
Oh god. I'm good. I'm good. Woo! I need to tell you something very important. Which was that burp? I'm not sure how to do it. I'm sorry. Oh, thank you for redeeming a stretch. Let me stretch for you. Oh. There it is. There's the first one of the stream. Thank you, Moxie. I appreciate it. Sorry. Good pokey. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that. Oh god, that was a bad one. That came from like a weird place. Sorry, I think I might need to redo this one because they didn't continue. Where am I going? I didn't check my map. Oh, whew. How are you doing? Oh my god! Fuck.
I woke up, I made my bed, and then... I'm so sorry.
Come. Absolutely.
You are one of the most treasured.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh my fucking god!
Hi. I do that sometimes. I'm currently. Oh, excuse me.